I am Mrs. Vidhi Solanki from his higher school. And you know what? What we are going to do today? We are going to do poem, but based on story. So, the poem is like a red lollipop. Okay. So, let's see the story first. Once there was a little boy. Okay. He was like very excited to buy his favorite lollipop. You know, everyone like lollipops, right? So he happily hopped to the shop. Hopped, it means he was like very happy, excited, and like very hurried to go at market and buy the chocolates. So he happily hopped to the shop and picked a big red lollipop. He could not wait, so he quickly put it in his mouth. Plop, plop. Soon it was gone, and he smiled, already thinking about his next treat. So now let's start the poem. I took a hop to the shop to buy my favorite lollipop. Bigger big teeth and the red top. I will soon put in my mouth and finish it plop plop. And finish it plop plop. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.